How to password protect Google Drive folder. So here is a step-by-step guide to password protect a Google Drive folder. Important note that Google Drive itself does not natively support password protecting folders directly, but you can secure your files folders with this workaround. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Google Drive on your device and make sure that you are signed in using your Google account. So here all you have to do is simply create a folder, right click, then create a new folder if you want to. But if you already have a folder that you want to share, then simply tap on it. So here I'm creating a new folder for an example. Once you create a new folder, right click on your new folder and there you will get to see share option available. Simply tap on the share from the drop down menu. Now all you have to do is confirm the share. Now here make sure under general access that it is in restricted, so only people you add can open it. Add specific people by entering their email addresses and set their permission to viewer, commenter or editor. Do not share the folder link publicly. This way only invited people with Google accounts you can approve can access the folder. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.